The love of a family is life's most significant blessing. Family members are like the branches of the tree that grow in different directions, yet the root remain the same. Family. Family is everything. Good morning to respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. For creating awareness of families and promoting them, there is a day called World Family Day, which is celebrated in nations around the world on 15th of May to showcase the significance of families every year. Let us celebrate our own families and families around the world. I am Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 9th wishing you all very happy International Day of Families. Dear friends, we all have families. We should understand that a healthy bond with all the family members is to accept them as it is. We should understand that it is very important to repair the broken bonds between families and the member of families. International Day of Family tells the youth of every nation about the importance of having a family. We have been celebrating International Day of Families on 15th May since 1995. In 1994, the United Nations declared the International Day of Families in response to the changing economic and social structures that are affecting the stability and structure of family units in different parts of the world. Actually, this day is an opportunity for us, for the people around us, to promote awareness of issues relating to families. I would like to say that we can't stick to just one day of appreciation and celebration, as family holds an important place in our life. It provides us stability, love, care, a sense of belonging that we love to celebrate a family day every day. Dear friends, family means something different to each of us. We should take care of our elderly parents as it is a form of expressing our love and deal them with care and respect, because they deserve it for everything they did to raise us. Let us take more care of our parents and other family members because they deserve it. Yes, they deserve it, because they have spent years providing everything. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.